So we're having SpaghettiOs for the first time. You like them? Mmm. Mmm. Yeah. And you were making one big mess. Oh yeah. Go find that one. Yeah, that's good. You didn't even get any in your mouth that time. Yeah, it's still good though, huh? Mmm. You like it? Kinda. Mmm. Yeah, it looks like a pretty decent face. Mmm. Mmm.